To install the Safepal wallet, start by visiting the official Safepal website to download the application. It is essential to download the wallet from the official website to avoid any potential security risks. Once you have accessed the website, click on the download button and select the appropriate version for your device. Whether it is a desktop computer, mobile phone, or hardware wallet, after downloading the wallet, follow the installation prompts to complete the setup process. If you are using a mobile device, you can find the Safepal wallet in the App Store and download it directly. For a hardware wallet, you will need to connect it to your computer and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, launch the Safepal wallet application and create a new wallet by selecting the Create Wallet option. You will be asked to set up a password and create a recovery phrase, which is a crucial step in securing your wallet. The recovery phrase is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it, so make sure to store it in a safe and secure location. After setting up your wallet, you will be able to view your account balances, send and receive transactions, and manage your digital assets. The Safepal wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. To add a new cryptocurrency to your wallet, simply click on the Add Coin button and select the coin you want to add. You can also use the search function to find a specific coin. Once you have added a new coin, you can view its balance and transaction history. As a best practice, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your wallet software up to date to ensure the security of your digital assets. Additionally, always verify the recipient's address before sending a transaction to avoid any potential errors. By following these steps, you can easily install and set up the Safepal wallet, providing a secure and convenient way to manage your digital assets. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions to protect your wallet and its contents.